Which is the safest kind of mutual fund? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will elaborate on this now.
When you talk about the safest type of product, so I'll give you an example here. Say, for example, if you want absolutely safe kind of a product, then it's a overnight kind of a product. So what it does is it invests into TREPs, overnight money, and it is the safest product which is available. So most of the corporates use these kind of products to invest their overnight money. But as an investor, as a retail investor, if you look at the equity products, and if you look at the products over long period of time, say for example, if you invest for 1 year, then there is a very high probability we don't know that which whether I will be getting a positive return or a negative return. But as you increase your time duration to about say 5 years or 7 years, your volatility reduces and chances of having a positive return also increases. So I think if you strictly go by the definition, safest product, it would be overnight products and the liquid funds. But if you look at holistically with the time duration into consideration over a long period of time, say about say 7-10 years, probably equity oriented funds also give you a positive kind of a return over a 5-7-10 year time frame.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.